Playing on EU1 Counter Raid.
Only shite thing is we don't have any eyeballs on us.
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh,
We never
fucking
walk with
protection.
eyeballs.
No, we
We
are
don't
not.
need it. We're too good.
We only use the environment.
Yeah.
One with nature. He'll
That's
give
why
you
we
something
walk on
back.
our bare feet.
Holy fuck, that's true.
Right here. Oh, a guy. What the fuck? He's there. Someone have a silenced weapon? I have a hatchet.
I got a crossbow, I got a crossbow.
Okay, nice. GG, man.
It's here or not?
Oh, it
Yeah,
might
yeah,
be.
Yeah, ladder, and there are things out of it.
Hey, they go through the ceilings, yeah. For the floor grills.
Yep.
Brennan, you know what I think they did? They made a twig thingy and then shot the twig before they went in.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a naked close there.
But why would we do that? We make a lot of noise then.
It's gonna
do
be
it.
fast.
Yeah. Go!
I'm going back up.
Yeah, thanks.
Should I just place 2 ladders?
Yeah, true. Maybe that's smart. And then I will just jump in with a water pipe and try to
Who's
kill
here?
him.
I am next to the...
Remco, niet praten joh. Wie is dat?
Oh,
He destroyed himself,
I
right?
killed him.
Yeah, he's dead.
You killed him.
Yeah. Fully.
Oh.
Fully loaded of shit.
Raid.
One is silenced AK. Okay, we all
Yeah,
get
no.
back.
Hebben ze mijn body geloot?
He's dead.
Yeah, one is dead. Yeah, one AK guy is dead. I'm dropping rockets. I'm going to try to loot him. All right.
Yep.
Try to loot my body
Watch out,
first, I
there's
got
a
more
guy
stuff.
behind the raid base. At the road.
Behind the raid base.
Oh! At to the first base side.
Sabo, defend me. Sabo.
Hey, I'm coming back, okay? I'm orange hoodie. Don't shoot me.
Yeah. What the? He looted his friend. He looted his friend. Fucking asshole. Just G is fucking hacking. No AK. Full metal gear.
Who's outside? Who's outside?
I'm outside. Killed him. Fully.
Nice. Thank you, Sabo.
There's someone outside. He's dead.
He's also dead.
Oh, nice, Saba.
I don't know where to shoot, dude.
Nice.
Hello.
Oh, furnace.
Oh.
Two furnaces.
Oh wait, what? Maybe we can do something else now.
They got them. Oh no. Okay, watch out for that.
Wow.
Sabo, you're lucky as shit. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
boom,
fucking
boom, boom.
2 satchels. No, 2 satchels is better.
Yeah, vast niet AK's.
I'll get him out again.
Yeah.
Easy, thank you.
Okay, armor
Okay,
door.
2 C4 that. Oh yeah, I got 2 C4. Okay.
Probably another armor door behind that.
Four guys,
From our
3 years.
Another armor door.
Watch out, watch out.
So that's probably...
You think
Yeah,
so?
that's middle core.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to 4 rocket that.
Yeah, look out.
Keep.
Fuck.
Flame turret, another door. Oh, there. Wait, what is in here? Oh,
Frame
wow.
turrets.
base side.
Yeah, yes, I couldn't see. Fuck! I destroyed something.
Yeah.
To destroy the door? No, right? Fucking flamethrower thing. Jesus. Yeah, I destroyed it. Okay, there's a geared guy inside of it. I'm just going to blow that thing, or what?
I don't know.
Do it.
Yeah, it's just a sheet metal door.
Who was that?
He's dead.
Is another one coming? 2 guys? Russies. Two guys, fully gated, coming.
3.
A lot of mats, a lot of fucking things. Holy
Hey,
shit, this is loaded,
guys,
I
did you
think.
hear me? There are
Yeah,
two
where
fully
are
gated
they?
guys coming.
Armor?
Okay, they're coming from, if you the breach from the left side.
We got TC here.
So they're coming from the mountain.
No, if you go out the breach there.
Yeah, but if we destroy the TC, we have the base.
Is there a TC?
Yeah,
Hit them.
we have TC right here.
Oh.
How many satchels is TC?
1.
1. Okay, I will just blow it. Could someone
No.
bring a TC?
You need these.
Just keep shining there, I can see them if they come in.
Oh,
Looks-
Jesus.
Looks
Ah.
good, looks good.
Ja, het gaat niemand spoilen.
Yep.
Yeah. Is it even worth it to raid a fucking
Oh,
furnace base?
Kom op, kom
I'm just shooting a fire rocket in there.
Base?
op.
Could you flash?
Okay, I got the cupboard. But where
Oh
do
fuck,
I
I
need
need
to
to get
place
out
it?
of here.
Where are you?
Somewhere. On top, no, never mind. Somewhere.
Someone get it.
Not on the same place, not on the same place, because we need to get the loot. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
It's there.
One naked thing
We
is
can
coming.
still destroy it.
From where?
From our base to
Oh Jesus, there was a
Okay.
lot of shit in it.
Just
Somebody
going,
get the
so
other
maybe he's
food.
on the motorcycle stuff, I don't know.
Okay, I need 3 more rockets though.
I see
We have
no
the
one.
base already, but I want 3 more rockets
Yeah,
to
but we
get
need a
that
door.
garage
We need a door.
Okay, we gotta blow the door right down here with a TC.
Yeah, alright, but we need to get... Ruben, come here.
Yeah.
Here's a box of wood, make another TC. And when we blow it, you place a TC right here, because they cannot get in this room. There's a box of wood. No, there. Back one. I will get 3 more rockets, and we will just do it, fuck it. And then we have this whole base for us.
We zijn op P10 hè?
Ja, dat weet ik. Ik kijk ook naar P10.
I'm good.
Actually some food in here, I'm starving.
One naked.
Waarom zie ik die dude zijn naam hier bij hem staan trouwens?
Let's blow it. 3
Problem
rockets.
is, how am I
Naked
going
is
to
coming
shoot
from,
that thing? I
same
can do it
place.
like this, alright, easy.
Why is everywhere?
No,
Okay, watch out
dit-
for
dit
turns,
daar-
watch out. That's
Oh,
what
that-
I told
Ik
you.
zit niet te grappen.
Ja, ik
Oh.
zit
I'm
hadden jullie
freaking
triangle.
told.
Yeah, I know.
In a box room, Brandon.
Where is the
Okay,
bullet box?
I'm incendiating it. No, but watch out. You can get your... Wait, I will move. You can get your body, but not your AK. Just wait for your AK.
Yeah, we need bullets.
Now it should be gone.
Combat log.
Now it's
And-
getting destroyed.
Yeah, it's getting destroyed. Yeah. Nice.
Oh wow.
You
It's empty.
fucking might spit that out.
Okay, a lot of AKs. A lot of
Components.
components.
Oh! Holy sh!
What the? How many?
6 rockets, 1 C4, and a fucking lot of gunpowder.
That's fucking easy.
M249!
No, really?
Yeah!
M2.
Look at this!